Think of good. Okay. Do we have a timer for this?
Drinks, most of
Carrots!
Blueberry drink.
Jollibee lunchbox with write them. You can write them the picture. Ask them. You can make the human being can go horizontal, diagonal, or you will talk about it.
I did like I did that. Let's do that. How about sweets at
Can you write your name in your paper? Oh. Okay.
Hello, my name is This is Kiel. Say hi, Kiel. Kiel is Kinder.
and I'm 5 years old.
5 years old. Hello. Yeah, welcome to Fort Harbor. And Ayos, your turn. That's the translation for now. Okay, you can take your seat. You want some potato. What's your name and who are you?
Yes.
Who are you, Kiel? What are you wearing? I don't know. A potato! Are you healthy? Are you healthy?
Hi, I'm a potato. I have vitamin C, potassium, fiber, iron, you can make me into a friend.
We love to eat you, Kiel. Thank you.
Sorry na po. Wala ba siya
Very in character. Right? He's a making potato. Antioxidants and
That's a potato.
give a round of applause to Ray.
Nako, Fidel.
Everyone, all the fruits and potatoes. Okay. Look here, here. Diva. Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Bye.